Just imagine, you are handed a treasure chest with all the money you will ever need, but you don't have the key to open it. That's what financial literacy feels like. In a world where women play different roles like dreamer, achiever, professional, financial literacy isn't just important, it's also empowering. It's the confidence to invest, the wisdom to save, and the freedom to shape your future according to yourself. Hi, this is Kirti, and welcome to my channel where we talk about finances. And as I am starting a new series, Financial Literacy for Women, and this is the very first episode, Investing 101, where we're going to discuss why investing is important for women. So in this video, we are going to diving into why every woman requires the tool and knowledge to take charge of their finances. Because when the women take charge of the finances, entire community, family and the generation get the benefit. So let's get started. So in the point number 1, we're going to discuss why should women invest. Imagine your money as a tiny seed. If you water it, give it the right nutrition, then it grows into a beautiful tree. That's exactly what investing does. Investing isn't just for the wealthy person, it is for everyone. That includes you as well. Point number 2, let's talk about the common investment options available in India. There are some popular investment options which is available for you to invest in India, like fixed deposits, which has low risk and fixed returns, suitable for short-term goals. And then we have PPF, which is Public Provident Fund, long-term saving with a tax benefit. And it is also a government-backed safe option. Number 3, mutual fund, pool of money managed by the professionals. Or you can also start with systematic investment plan, which is also known as SIP. And you can easily start with SIP with just rupees 500 per month. Number 4, stocks. You can invest in a stock market. You can buy shares of the companies in the stock market, which will give you high risk and high rewards. And number 5, gold. Traditional favorite options for Indian people. You can easily invest in gold assets or gold bonds. These are some very popular investment options available in India. Which is your personal favorite? Do let me know in the comment section. Let's jump into the part 3 of this video, where we're going to discuss about the key terms you should know before investing. Risk appetite, your comfort with financial risk. Number 2, diversification, spreading investment to reduce the risk. Number 3, ROI, return on investment, profit earned on your investment. Number 4, liquidity, ease of converting your investment into cash. So these are the key terms which you should know before you start your investment journey. So now let's come to the part 4, which is very important, how to get started. Number 1, set your goal clearly. Why you are starting an investment? Maybe you have a goal for your retirement, planning for children's education, or buying a new home for yourself. So your goal must be set in advance. Number 2, risk factor. So are you adventurous with money, or maybe are you cautious with your money? You have to think in advance which game you're going to play with your money. Number 3, start small. Begin your investment journey with small investments like SIP, or maybe taking a mutual fund or a small investment to build the confidence. Number 4, choose a correct platform to start your investment journey. Choose trusted platforms like Zerodha, Upstock, Grow, or many more. Or maybe you can choose the bank portals also to start with your SIP journey. Number 5, track and review. It is very necessary to regularly monitor your investment and make the adjustment accordingly. So these are the few simple steps through which you can easily start your investment journey. So let's jump into the part 5th of the video, where we're going to talk about some common myths related to investing. Number 1, investing is only for rich people. But actually the fact is, anyone can start their investment journey with just rupees 500 only. Number 2, you need to be an expert. Where the fact is, you can start simple and learn as you grow. Myth number 3, it's too risky. Where the fact is, actually the research process, diversification of investment can lower down your risk. So these are the few pointers which can help you to start your investment journey today. Remember, the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. To hit the like button, share with your friends and family who needs to see this, and do subscribe if you're new to my channel for more videos like this. So let's empower each other and take control of our finances. Until next time, happy investing.